Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sonic Mania Plus. First, you'll need to understand that Sonic Mania Plus is an enhanced version of the critically acclaimed Sonic Mania. It bundles the original game with the Encore DLC, offering new playable characters, Mighty the Armadillo and Ray the Flying Squirrel, along with an exciting Encore mode. This package provides a fresh way to experience the classic two-dimensional platforming action. Let's dive into the steps to add this fantastic title to your collection. To begin, you'll first need to own the base game, Sonic Mania. You can purchase this digitally through your preferred platform's online store, such as the PlayStation Store, Xbox Game Store, Nintendo eShop, or Steam for PC. The original game offers a fantastic retro experience with new zones and classic favorites. Once you have the base game installed, you're ready for the next step to unlock all the Plus content. If you already own Sonic Mania, you can upgrade to the Plus content by purchasing the Encore DLC pack. This downloadable content is available for approximately $4.99 USD on digital storefronts. Simply navigate to the game's page on your platform's store and look for the Encore DLC. Once purchased and installed, the new characters and modes will be integrated into your game. A physical version of Sonic Mania Plus, which includes the base game and DLC, is also an option. Sonic Mania Plus introduces two new playable characters, Mighty the Armadillo and Ray the Flying Squirrel, each with unique abilities. You'll also gain access to Encore mode, which remixes familiar stages and features a new character swapping mechanic. Additionally, the competition mode now supports up to 4 players for even more fun. You'll get to enjoy all the new content immediately. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.